20 Easy Weight Loss Recipes to jumpstart your weight loss journey and simplify your healthy eating habits. So, you've decided that you want to lose weight. One of the biggest factors in weight loss is what you eat. It doesn't matter how much we work out, if we aren't putting things into our bodies that are good, we are going to have a ton of trouble losing weight. A big thing that I've had when trying to lose weight is really just figuring out what simple recipes I can make that are healthy and don't need me to be some master chef. Trust me, I'm anything but simple. What's really causing your weight gain? High blood pressure and constant fatigue. If you're over 30, you need to see this. The good news is that there are so many easy weight loss recipes that are super healthy. If I can cook them, I'm pretty sure that you can too. Let's take a look at some of the best healthy recipes to get you to start burning fats fast and easily. Top 5 breakfast weight loss recipes. 1. Veggie omelet with goat cheese. You can get creative and add in other things: tomatoes, mushrooms, you name it. This recipe is super easy and super fast. 2. Gut healthy yogurt parfait. This Greek yogurt parfait is filling, healthy, great for your gut, and full of antioxidants. Plus, it comes together in just a few minutes, making your busy mornings a bit easier. 3. Strawberry banana smoothie. Adding in low-calorie fruits can help you feel fuller for longer, and putting some nuts or protein powder in there may help fight cravings. 4. Breakfast sandwich. I love sandwiches at any time of the day. This sandwich is easy to make and will keep you feeling full. 5. Nut butter toast. This one may sound weird, but just try it. The great thing is that it's a pretty well-rounded breakfast. You get lots of what you need to start the day off well. Top 5 lunch weight loss recipes. 1. Grilled chicken and veggies. Yes, this is an oldie but a goodie. And so easy to make. Ingredients. 1. Chicken breast. 1.5 cups of veggies, your pick. I'm going to go with broccoli here. Salt and pepper. How to prepare this recipe. Grill the chicken breast until the center is fully cooked. Cook the veggies. If you're grilling, do that with salt and pepper to taste. Women who eat these 3 slices of cheese are losing pounds of stubborn belly fat. 2. Tuna salad. Feeling like changing things up? This easy-to-make tuna salad will get you going through that lunch hump, and it's great for weight loss too. 3. Quinoa salad. Easy to make and full of weight loss foods. Quinoa has a lot of nutrients and fiber, according to this study, and pistachios don't have tons of calories. 4. Leftovers. Feeling a little rushed, or just plain lazy? You don't have to cook every single day. If you make too much dinner one day, save the dish in a Tupperware container, and have it for lunch the next day. Most things will hold. One thing that holds perfectly well is leftover greens, like broccoli or Brussels sprouts. 5. Kale salad with avocado and salmon. Okay, why am I not eating this dish right now? Salmon is one of my favorites, and pairing it with kale, you really just have to try it for yourself. Top 5 dinner weight loss recipes. 1. Teriyaki chicken with veggies. This is an all-time favorite of mine for sure. Chicken is high in protein and low in calories, which makes it a great dinner for those trying to lose weight. 2. Buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. Lettuce is great for weight loss, and this study even says it could have anti-cancer properties. Even though it's low in calories, it helps meet the number of micronutrients your body needs. 3. Mixed salad. While we're on the topic of lettuce, what about a quick chicken salad for dinner? Here's one of my favorite salads for weight loss, and my favorite of all of the easy weight loss recipes so far shown. Ingredients: 2 cups of romaine lettuce, chopped. 1 small tomato, chopped. 1 chicken breast, cubed. 1 cup broccoli, uncooked. Mozzarella cheese, sprinkle on top. Balsamic vinaigrette. How to prepare this recipe. Put the chopped romaine lettuce into a big bowl. Add in the chopped tomato and broccoli. Cook the cubed chicken breast on the stove, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked cubed chicken into the big bowl. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top, and add in balsamic vinaigrette. Always put less than you think. 4. Caprese salad. Yes, another salad. This one doesn't involve lettuce, however, and is seriously one of the best to serve on those hot summer nights. This salad, part of what's called the Mediterranean diet, can cut the risk of heart problems, according to this study. 5. Bowtie pasta with spring vegetables. Need I say more about this dish besides that it's completely delicious? Try it for yourself if you don't believe me. Top 5 healthy dessert recipes. 1. Halo Top Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. Looking for some ice cream? This is an amazing dessert, not only because it's actually healthy, but because it's great for someone on the go who really needs some sweetness in his or her life, but just doesn't have time to bake something. It's one of the lowest calorie, carb, and sugar ice creams out there too. Fruit salad with orange blossom water. This is an amazing dessert for those super hot, humid days. I know. Fruit salad doesn't seem like dessert. But this contains so much nutritious value, plus antioxidants, that it's definitely worth it. Try 3. Chocolate pomegranate truffle. Don't worry, I wasn't going to leave the chocolate lovers hanging. These healthy desserts are nutritious, but will satisfy that sweet tooth. Ingredients: 1.5 cups of pitted medjool dates, 1 tablespoon water, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, ½ cup of ground flaxseed, ½ teaspoon of ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup pomegranate oils. Practical steps to preparing this recipe. Place pitted dates in a food processor and blend until they become ball-like. Add in water and pulse. Add in cocoa powder, flaxseed, cinnamon, vanilla, and salt and process until well mixed. Turn off the food processor and fold in pomegranate. Stir until even throughout. Form into 12 to 14 balls. Roll in cocoa powder. Store in the fridge. If you have extra, 4. Apple fries with peanut butter dip. This one may sound a little weird, but if you love peanut butter, then this dish is for you. The fat and protein in the peanut butter help to make this dessert a great one. 5. Pineapple whip float. Pineapple and coconut milk. Is this cheating? Even though it may sound too good to be true, this dish is great for weight loss. It's healthy but still fulfills that much needed dessert time. So, now you've got 20 unbelievable recipes to help kickstart your weight loss. Even though some of these didn't even seem like they'd be great for weight loss, because they sound so amazing, they all are. A huge part of weight loss is realizing exactly what is going into your body. The best way to know this is by buckling down and cooking for yourself. Sure, it may seem like a big task at first, but all of these recipes are super simple. Again, if I can do it, you definitely can. Time to get cooking.